Good afternoon, guys. Mamelodi Sundowns has confirmed the departure of their head coach, Rhulani Mokwena. Even though people have their own speculations, but Mamelodi Sundowns has confirmed on their Facebook page that they have come into an agreement with Rhulani Mokwena to part ways. Mamelodi Sundowns and Rhulani Mokwena amicably concluded an agreement bringing to an end Rhulani Mokwena's employment as head coach. Mamelodi Sundowns wishes to express its gratitude to Rhulani Mokwena for contribution to the success and achievement of the club during his tenure as head coach. Rhulani Mokwena will forever be part of Mamelodi Sundowns family, and the club wishes him all very best with his future endeavors. The decision of Mamelodi Sundowns was taken by the board, taking into account to the objectives and expectations of the club, and was not influenced or based on the recommendations of any individual associated with the club. Sundowns is deeply committed to the development and growth of South African coaches and players. Coach Manqoba Mngqithi and the technical team will continue to lead and take control of the training and preparations of the players for the upcoming season. Mamelodi Sundowns is preparing and focusing on competing in all upcoming competitions and is honored to be one of our 4 football clubs representing the African continent in the historical FIFA Club World Cup 2025. Mamelodi Sundowns ke sikuvezile ukuthi yona ke no Rhulani Mokwena sebefike esivumelwaneni sokuthi ke behlukane bakithi nje ke lapha ngesivumelwano kuza ke emva kuba ke bethe bahlala phansi ke bakhuluma futhi ke ekuthenini isinqumo sabo sokuthi ke behlukane ke no Rhulani Mokwena asikho ke mayelana nokuthi ke mhlawumbe ubani utheni komunye noma ke mhlawumbe kubani ke uthuke omunye, kodwa ke bathi ke kungenxa ke ukuthi nje akuvumelananga ngezinto ke eziningi. Ekuhambeni ka Rhulani kuzokhumbuleka ukuthi uhamba nje ushiya ku Mamelodi Sundowns sekuthenini ke funeka iyodlala ke Club World Cup, kufuneka kuyodlala iCAF Champions League. Yona ke Mamelodi Sundowns njengoba ke ilungiselela ke nje ke lapha ke yonke ke lemidlalo bavezile ke futhi nokuthi ucoach Manqoba Mngqithi uyena ozothatha ke intambo okwamanje nje ke lapha kalide ke team ku training. Manqoba Mngqithi kanye ke ne technical team yonke izokwazi ukuthi ke bhekane nje ke lapha ke nazinselelo zokuthi Sundowns ilungiselela ke season ezoqala kanye ke na wonke nje ama competition okufanele ke iwadlala. Akwasiwa ke mbhantshi kujiya ukuthi ke gcineni kuzokwenzakala na kuba kanti abantu abaningi bekhuluma ke lokho nalokho ngokuhamba kuka Rhulani Mokwena, kodwa ke Sundowns ithi ke yona cha ayasi lutho okwabo nje kuphela ukuthi abavumelananga ngezinto eziningi no Rhulani ke Mokwena. Kodwa okuvelayo futhi nje ukuthi ke uMokwena kungenzeka ukuthi uhambiswe ukuthi ke ukhala ngokuthi akasenalo izwi ekuthatheni ke nje ke lapha ke inqumo zokuthi ngibani umdlalo okufanele kahlale ngibani futhi umdlalo okufanele kahambe, njengoba kusolwa ke nje ke lapha ke abanye ke bama director ayo ke team ukuthi ke mhlawumbe unesandla ekuthenini ke nje lapha yatheleke uRhulani Mokwena. Rhulani Mokwena bangakatholakala ukuthi kuyaphawula uzokhumbuleka kuRhulani Mokwena njalo nje ngokulingisa kuPep Guardiola mangabe ke ewina noma ke mhlawumbe sama ukukhuthaza abadlali ukuthi ke bedlale kanjani. Siyethemba ke ukuthi ke uMokwena lapho kaya khona amahlelo kazobahlaza futhi ke lapha yakhona uyofike ke ashine nje ke lapha ke egameni ke leNingizimu Afrika. Simfisela ke inhlanhla njengoba ke neSundowns isho njalo.